Nebraska provides judgment creditors with standard enforcement tools, though Nebraska's 15% wage garnishment cap and $60,000 homestead exemption create moderate limitations. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. Nebraska judgments accrue interest at 1% above the bond equivalent yield for 26-week Treasury bills, a low market-linked rate. Judgment duration. Nebraska judgments are valid for 5 years but can be renewed before expiration. Recording the judgment lion. In Nebraska, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is filed as a judgment lion in the district court of that county. Wage garnishment. Nebraska caps wage garnishment at 15% of disposable earnings, significantly below the federal 25% maximum. This lower cap reduces the per-paycheck recovery, but the continuing writ keeps garnishment in effect until the judgment is satisfied. Homestead exemption. Nebraska's homestead exemption is $60,000, a moderate protection that leaves real estate with equity above this threshold accessible. No tenancy by the entirety. Nebraska does not recognize tenancy by the entirety. Joint real property is not specially protected from individual creditors based on marital status. Bank levy. Nebraska allows execution against bank accounts through a writ of execution. Non-exempt bank account funds are accessible. Debtor examination. Nebraska allows post-judgment examination of the debtor through proceedings to discover assets. Nebraska's lower wage garnishment cap makes bank levy and real estate enforcement relatively more important in the collection toolkit. Combining both approaches often produces faster recovery than relying on the reduced wage garnishment alone. People Locator Skip Tracing provides Nebraska debtor investigation, employer, banking, and real estate. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.